how to change font size to large on Facebook Lite. So if you want to change your font size to large on Facebook Lite, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook. Now after opening, if you go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, then you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you will have an option of preferences, and under preferences you will have font size. But if you don't find the font size on your preferences, then your app might have been updated, because with the newest update we don't have the font size option on our Facebook. But if you have the previous version, then you will have the font size. You can tap on it and then you can choose large, medium and small. But if you don't have the font size, then what you can do is you can just simply go with your settings. Under settings here, you can search for font size, and from here you can go with text size, and you can select small, large, XL, double XL, or extra small, anything like this, and then just go back, and that's it. It will change your font size. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.